This is Kettumäentie 6 staircase B.
Asuntoskeittiö oli vähän hakkaa Kettumäentie 6 in Kuusankoski, Kouvola, staircase B. Or staircase A. Or staircase B. But last one was A, I think.
I will check it.
Or.
This is B.
Ah,
yeah, so this
yeah,
is
yeah,
B.
yeah.
A or B?
B.
That was so funny. Today is 28th of August 2019. Let's take a right. Two rights.
Yeah.
Well, in 1985, he is 6922 is going to turn 25 years old in next year. 24% here, 325 grams and 6 floors, and here's the basement floor. But it's B, but it should be K.
Yeah.
In this case, I think.
Because this was built on a hill.
Yeah, true.
But it's cheaper to get same elevators.
Yeah, but
Yes.
it should be K in both,
Yeah.
like kelleri and katutas.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah. It also could be.
Yeah, could have been in both. No, it pressed, but yeah.
Yeah.
I think it has full memory. You can try it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing. We got it out. We got inside both of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's still a lot tomorrow in Kouvola.
Yeah.
So this is just one day, and the other day will be many more in Kouvola. Maybe this doesn't have the full memory. But it should,
yeah,
it should
it has.
It
Yeah.
should have. Let's see. We can wait when we go down.
Yeah.
I tried it already.
Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Otis Sonner Descriptis.
I need to take pictures of it. Yeah, well, it does have a memory. No, battery ended. It was still. I wasn't still computer ready, but okay, it's not. It's fine. This was no problem. I was already doing the full.
Yeah. It was already the cigarette.
Yeah.
You get 1.5, right?
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah. Your batteries are quite bad, unfortunately.
But it's already like evening, so they've been doing well today. So.
But it's second battery.
Yeah, I have 4 batteries.
Yeah.
I have 4 batteries.
Don't eat your batteries.
I was changing it.
That's
Sorry.
it.
That's it.